So, Onleaks has revealed the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Let's talk about it. So, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is of course the 4th generation of their folding phones. Now, let's talk about the changes that we can definitely see when it comes to just this design. The main thing that stands out apart from camera is how they shrunk down the frame bezel right here. That allows for a larger and brighter screen in general, even though they actually cut down the height of the folding phone. So with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, it's about here. I will put some measurements on the display as well, but right about here. This makes it that it's a little bit more compact, but overall also that you have more screen real estate at the smaller screen, which is key, because the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 1 till 3 of course did have a small display, especially with the Fold 2 and Fold 3 it was just a really elongated screen, and now it seems like they are trying to tone down a little bit on that. Having that lesser bezel on the side itself allows for the phone to be a little bit more compact while getting more screen real estate on the width part of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And these changes are definitely necessary. One thing that you can straight away see is that currently a lot of companies are bringing out foldable phones with a lot of specifications that Samsung simply doesn't offer. Not to mention that of course if you do care about having that crease in the middle, as in as least as possible, then the Samsung Galaxy Fold series isn't one of those. Vivo does it better, Oppo does it better, Huawei does it better. So you have to question, what is Samsung going to do this year? Especially if you look at those foldables and those competitors, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series is lagging behind because they do make clear sacrifices when it comes to their folding series. For instance, the new Vivo Fold, that one actually has a better camera system. It's close to their flagship, where the Samsung Galaxy Fold series normally has like the lower and high-end version of their folding. So for instance, how you compare the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, where it has the camera of the S21. Well, actually it was even lower than that, but that's beside the point. Either way, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series definitely needs an update, because there are a lot of competitors out there that are doing a really good job. For instance, the Oppo Find N. That's a really interesting one, because it's like a compact foldable phone, and this makes a lot of sense. Yes, the idea is to make it a tablet kind of shape when you actually unfold it, but I think the Oppo Find N makes a lot of sense. People just want more screen real estate, even though having something like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 or other devices that are around this size does make it a really large phone even for normal use. And I think that's why also Samsung decided to slightly shrink down the height of the phone itself, making it a little bit more accessible when it comes to using that smaller screen, because that's definitely an issue when you come to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, where the screen is just really tall and really thin. And of course, next to that, we can see some other updates as well when it comes to the design itself. Now, of course, these are leaks, so somewhat take it with a grain of salt. There can be changes nonetheless. But we do see that same kind of camera style that we actually see on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Well, the Note 22. Let's just call it the Note. Either way, we can see that same kind of design when it comes to the camera setup for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Again, will this be the case? We have to wait and see, but Onleaks is a very trustworthy source, so I would say that we are getting close to that kind of design. Nonetheless, I will post some links in the description where you can check out, of course, the article that is about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, where you can check out some vendors as well, and of course Onleaks as well, so you can check and follow him on Twitter as well. Either way, let me know what you think about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Is it something that you're interested in? What do you think about the changes, for instance, having, of course, that lesser side bezel that allows for the screen to be a little bit wider, and of course, where they adjusted the height of the fold itself? Do you think this is a good step? Let me know in the comments below, and of course, let me know what you are looking for in a foldable phone, if you even do, because of course, it is a very niche market when it comes to just foldable phones. For me, I just really like the idea of closing a phone like that. Anyway, if you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and of course hit like, and check out some other videos as well, and of course don't forget to comment below as well. That helps the algorithm. Anyway, have a good one, and talk to you guys in the next.